when he gets fucked up.
Ain't out there paying bills like I have to pay bills. Okay? So if I don't do my job, that means I'm not getting no money.
Don't try to show up for the camera.
You feel right crazy if you come back and you don't have a job.
Oh.
Ask Sherman. Why you think he's still standing on this front line? He should know. He had a second chance.
He had to say, oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah,
With Jessica.
he was on the door.
Yeah, I remember.
Come on, hurry up. Get off my floor. You can put your coat on out there since you want to be so smart.
Here you go, chop.
Let's go. Move it.
What's he doing with the heater, yo?
Hurry up. Sherman, that leaves you to do everything up here so you can go home.
And it's time for me to get to